Before we build the confidence interval for population proportion, we need some basic definitions. The very first definition that you need is the definition of the point estimate. Well, a point estimate is a single value that estimates the population parameter. Okay, now since we are working with population proportion and we try to estimate population proportion, here you have a population. The proportion of population is denoted by P. When you take a sample from that population, the sample proportion is denoted by P hat. For population proportion P, the point estimate is denoted by P hat, as I mentioned here, which is the proportion of successes in a sample. How do we officially define P hat? P hat is defined as X over N. What is X? X is the number of successes and N is the sample size. Very good. So let us take a look at a quick example. In this example, you ran a survey. In a survey of 1,000 US students, 375 said they own a smartphone. Very good. Now, what is P hat? What is the proportion of success in this sample? Find P hat. Well, P hat sometimes is given as a percentage to us. We don't have to use this formula. Some other times we have to follow the formula and actually calculate P hat. P hat is X divided by N, but what is X? The number of successes in our survey. How many own a smartphone? 375 divided by the sample size, or N, is 1,000. Okay, so P hat can be written as 0.375, or P hat is 37.5%. What's the meaning of that? It means that, hey, you have a huge population of US students, all right? So here you have a population of US students, which is a very huge population. We just took a small sample, 1,000 of them. Now, in 1,375 said, hey, we own a smartphone. So P hat is 37.5%. It means that 37.5% of US students own a smartphone. Well, I expect you to ask, what if we have a different survey? Are we going to get the exact same percent? That's where we're going to talk about the confidence interval. We're going to take all of those possible percentages and list them in an interval.